Hi, this is Dinah, author of Chasing Normal, a guide for the newly disabled and for those who love them. And I'm wanting to just give you a little bit of background about Chapter 2 of Describing Normal. The title of Chapter 2 is Describing Blue. And obviously that's kind of an odd title for a book. It comes from a story that I tell in the beginning of the chapter that's kind of fun and kind of interesting, and I hope that it entices you to read the chapter yourself. But just to give you a little bit of background on what the meat of the chapter is about, it's about good self-care. It's about taking care of yourself and learning to be a good self-advocate when you're working with doctors and with lawyers. Oftentimes, when we become disabled, we find ourselves in the midst of having to deal with a lot of professionals that we've never had to deal with before. If you've had a workers' comp injury, there are lawyers involved, insurance companies want to know what's going on. Certainly there are medical professionals, doctors, therapists. All of a sudden we find ourselves as sort of this lone soul in this pool of professionals. And it's really important to not allow that to be intimidating. So chapter 2, Describing Blue, is about how to deal with that process, how to be a good self-advocate, how to work with healthcare professionals in a very proactive manner, and how to make sure that you get your needs met as you go through this process. So I'm hoping that as you consider reading the book, you'll dive into chapter 2, Describing Blue, and you will find some good tips, some good hints, and some good practices that you can incorporate into your own recovery. You can obtain Chasing Normal again at our website, www.chasing-normal.com, or on amazon.com. Good luck, and let us know how we can help you, okay? Take care.